Hello. Today we're gonna change the oil in the 316. This has the 4-cylinder engine with a code name N46. But this also goes to the M42 engine. To get to the oil filter in this car, you need a special kind of tool that goes in here. But of course, I don't have it. So we're gonna need a 10mm socket, remove these two bolts and remove this plastic cover. And when we have that done, we can use this tool, and with that we can get the oil filter loose and change that. Now that we have the plastic cover off, we can go ahead and open up the oil filter. Now that we have the old oil filter off, we're gonna change the O-rings and put on a new oil filter. I bought one filter, so the O-rings are included in this one. If you buy the really cheap stuff, you have to order these as well. Then just simply take these old ones off. This one, and this one. And then you replace them. Now that we have the old O-rings off, we're gonna install the new ones. But first, you can dip them in the oil, so they fit on much easier. Just like that. Now that we have the new O-rings on, we're gonna put on the oil filter. And it just goes in here like that. And now we'll insert the oil filter back in its place. And as next, we're gonna lift the car so we can drain the oil. So, here is the oil drain plug. You need 17mm socket, and then you just go ahead and open it up. Hello. Before we put the oil drain plug back, we need to change the copper washer. You just remove this old one and put the new one on. like that. And then you just go ahead and put this back. As last job, we have to fill new oil in the engine. This engine takes 4.25 liters of oil. You could use a funnel to pour the oil, but what's life without taking some risks and spilling some oil on your engine, you know? We're also gonna change the cabin air filter. We do this by opening these 3 springs up here, and then you lift up this plastic cover, and down here you have your cabin air filter. This is the old one, and this is the new one. Before we put in the new cabin air filter, we're gonna clean this place up. Much better. And as last, you close the springs locks. And as last, we're also going to change the air filter. And you do that by removing this big box that the air filter is located in. And then you need to open up this box to get to the air filter. And now it's in place. The car feels really smooth to drive now. We don't have any oil lights or check engine lights or anything like that, so the service was successful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.